Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Pixel 9 Pro is updated to the newest Android release and you're signed into your Google account. Once done, enable Google Assistant and any AI enhancements in settings so features appear in-app. Next, grant microphone, camera, and storage permissions. Without them, AI image and audio tools won't run. Finally, turn on gesture shortcuts and lock screen access to call AI quickly. This gets you ready to use advanced Pixel AI tools immediately. You now open the specific app you'll use: Recorder for transcripts, Photos for Magic Editor, or Assistant for multimodal prompts. Once the app loads, select the AI feature. For example, tap Magic Editor to remove objects or change scenes, then drag to refine edits. Use Live Translate in Recorder or calls to get real-time captions. Press the Translate button and speak. When generating content, type a short prompt and refine with follow-ups. Make sure to review and accept changes, because AI suggestions. You finish by reviewing all AI edits carefully and exporting only the final file. Always use undo or revert if an edit looks off. If a feature stops working, restart the phone, clear the app cache, and confirm permissions in settings. These steps resolve most issues. Once remedied, re-attempt the action and test with a short file or photo. If problems persist, report through settings help and feedback so logs can be submitted. This ensures reliable Pixel 9 Pro AI performance going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.